Hey guys, it's David here. I am currently on the Pride of America, a cruise ship. We just pulled into Hilo on the Big Island, and I wanted to take a moment to talk to you, really kind of just touch base on what we're all about. So some of you have heard me talk and some of you have not. If you're new, welcome. Check it out. Go down, like, subscribe, click the little thumbs up button, and maybe even the little light bulb so you get notified when we post new videos. But the reason that we exist at From Military to Millionaire is to help people understand that you can begin your career as a real estate investor with a little bit of money, right? So there is this stigma in the military that we don't get paid enough, and the reality is that that's self-inflicted. We spend all of our money on tattoos and Harleys and cars and trucks and guns and all this other stuff, and then we sit around and say, oh well, I don't make enough money to do that in the military. And the reality is that you just don't spend it wisely. And so what I created this channel to talk about is different strategies to be creative, to utilize what money we do make for real estate investing, and to be able to take that money and use it in a better manner and become and build wealth, right? So the whole idea here is that you can build wealth and you can do very well in the military if you just take your money and use it correctly. So I am no exception to this rule. I got back from Afghanistan. I bought a gun that I can't take to most of my duty stations. I bought a Harley that I totaled. I bought a car that I just sold. I bought a truck that has a flat tire and sits at my in-laws' house. And so the reality is that we are not good with our money because we have this culture in the military of like trying to look rich rather than be rich. And so the whole idea behind this channel is to help combat that mindset and help you realize that I'm an E6, so my paycheck is not terrible, but definitely not the best. I just bought a $2.8 million building, and I only put 5.2% down with a partner. So I really only put like 2% down, and that's after a couple years of learning and investing and everything that comes with that. So if you're smart and you're creative, I've never put more than 6% down on a rental property. All of my property's cash flow. And then I'm becoming better with my finances in general, and that's creating even more opportunity for investing. More doors are opening. And then with networking and everything else, I mean, the possibilities are endless. So I really just wanted to create this short video. You should definitely like us if you're military, public service, blue collar, normal working class salary, because we want to help you understand how to use your money, how to build wealth, how to use your money to build wealth, and ultimately how to become successful, become financially independent, and build an empire utilizing creative financing, partnerships, and just general knowledge to build an empire in real estate and become financially successful. So that's kind of what we're all about. Take a look. Hope you enjoy it. Either way, I'm going to go enjoy this cruise. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.